Now onto the character blend space. Open up the blend space, go to open up horizontal axis and vertical axis, and then we're going to name this one direction for horizontal. And min value -180. Next value is 180, positive 180, and this is for 360s of rotation. Next, we're going to call the vertical axis speed, and the default speed for Unreal Engine 4 is 600, so we're going to set that to 600. Now we're going to move these animations to become the assigned movement animations on the inputs. So we're going to take run forward, put that all the way at the top. Run back is always going to be in the corner. And then run left, run right, and now we're going to do the same for the walk animations. Put walk forward in the middle, walk back on the sides, walk left on the left, walk right on the right. And then the bottom for 0 speed is going to be idle. So there's usually a couple idles in these packs. I think I'm using idle examine, and you're going to put these across the whole bottom. And now if you hold shift and move the mouse around, you're going to be able to test the different animations and the transitions in between. Save your project now, and we're good to go.